Hello guys, welcome to this video. If you are a new visitor to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be helpful for your trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Guys, in this video I'll be teaching a very simple and unique intraday trading strategy. Okay, and this strategy is never on the internet or it's never on the YouTube. Okay, this strategy is very unique according to me, what I feel, and you don't need any much of an indicator or something. It's very simple and accuracy is very good too. Okay, so I'll teach you the strategy now. Okay, so before that, if you are new to the market and if you're not making money consistently in the market, you can just visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video. You guys can visit this link to know more about my additional services like MCX and NLC trading course. If you guys are interested, you can just check this out. And also here is a earning proof by my clients after taking the courses. Okay, so here it is. So here you also have a ledger proof also. Okay, so these are all the profit proof on screenshots. And not only that guys, we also have a feedback from the clients after taking the course, and also we have a client who is winning the Zerodha 60 days challenge soon, and the certificate will be shown soon in the video. Okay, so he has won the certificate and we are waiting for the certificate to generate. So these are the feedback from my clients after taking the course. Many clients are recovering their losses who are in a big loss, so you can just check all this feedback if you are interested, and you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and getting connected with me to get the course and learn from me. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you the strategy itself. Okay, so this is a chart, so let me just remove everything. Okay, so guys, there is no need of any indicators. As I said, you only one indicator is required, so that's a very unique indicator. So that is what I'll be teaching you now. Okay, so just all you need is just a 15 minutes chart, just this. Okay, now I'm opening SBI and stock chart. Okay, and all you have to go add is add Ravi indicator. That's it, nothing much, everything is default. Just give done. Okay, so that's it. So now I'll talk about the strategy. Now what you should observe is whenever you see a red color coming down like this line, okay, it will be like this, like just a gray shade. Okay, so nothing will be there. So whenever you see that red color coming up like this, is known as very oversold, and this is the time when the stock will go up. Okay, so here, so when this red come, that is the time when the stock will really go up. Okay, that's how I found it in the back testing of the strategy. Okay, so for example, now I'll tell you how to enter and how to use this strategy guys. Okay, so when you found this red, just you can just keep checking for the stocks, whichever gives the signal you can just trade on it. You can choose any stock which is any good movement stock, and this will work. So guys, as you can see here is a red color coming up in a 15 minutes. Once the candle is closed, what you have to do is just buy the just buy this above the high of this candle high. The candle high is 255.85, so once it breaks 255.85, you can go and buy and keep the target as 0.5% of the stock to 1% of the stock, and the target will be achieved. Okay, so let me just calculate how to calculate the 0.5 or 1% of the stock guys. I know many of you people know this, but many of you people don't know this, so I'll be just showing it for them. Just open the calculator here. So now I'll calculate the 0.5% of the target. So here is a high of this candle is 255.85. So let's assume we will buy it at 256. Okay, so 256 into 0.5 divided by 100 equal, so 1.28, that is 1.30 is your target. Okay, 1 rupee 30 paisa is your target. So let me see if the 1.30 is achieved. That is, if you buy 256, that is 257.30. So here it is guys, in the next 15 minutes candle only it made a high of 257.90, hitting our 0.5% target. Okay, this is a strategy, very simple strategy. Just put Ravi indicator in the default setting in your Zerodha chart, and whenever you find a red color, the stock will move up. So like that. Okay, and here it is on the, this was on the ending day. You should always wait for the, and one more thing guys, you should always wait for this red to end up, and when the next candle start, it should start with a shade of the gray. Okay, if the red is coming again and again, you should wait for it to completely end up. Okay, here you got the red. Okay, the first red, and sometimes you'll get a continuous red like this. That's the not the time to buy. You should wait for it to complete, and when you get the red, next the shade should start up. Here when the market closed, it was it was ending with the red. So this is a complete buy signal for the next day. Okay, so if you bought it in the next day at the opening itself, as you can see, the open price of the SBIN on the next day, that is on 28th of September, is 250.40, but and that date made high of 253. Okay, almost 3 rupees we could have got it. So that's how it is. And now I'll show you the example of selling. You should keep scanning for the stocks. Okay, that's the main thing. But once it gives, it's a good signal. So for the selling, it will give red signal, guys. Okay, sorry, it will give a green signal, as you can see here. So once you get green, fully green, so see here, green comes, and again the green came, again the green came, again the green came. What you should do is you should wait for the next this thing to start. Okay, that is the next gray shade to start. So once the gray shade starts, you can sell below this candle low, that is the signal candle low. So here is signal candle low, so take the last one of the last green signal. Okay, so here it is. So if you mark the low of it, so let me just mark it and calculate it. Go to horizontal, so this is the signal candle now. So here it is. So the low of this candle is 423.30. So if you're shorted below 423 also, it went all the way to 417, making almost 1% plus target has been hit here, guys. That's a very good strategy. Okay, so this is how it's working. So make sure you check it out. Okay, do a little of back testing. So once you feel it's working, then only do a real trade. Okay, until that, don't do a real trade. So this is a first paper trade, any strategy what I'm showing you. So here it is, guys. Again a green coming up, and next started with the shade, gray shade. So just take a low of this candle and short it below the low of this candle, and it's done. Fully the day full it started falling. This will detect the overbought. Okay, when the green comes, this is a overbought area, and that's like 100% it will fall. That's the indication of the strategy. I mean, the indicator will do this work very good. It's not like RSI. Okay, but RSI will give you so many of false signals, but Ravi indicator is very amazing, and it will detect what we are doing. Like when the overbought is oversold, it will correctly detect the situation. Okay, so here also, as you can see, it gave oversold indication. Next started with the gray. So even if I shorted this below candle low, it triggered here, and all the day it started falling. So that's how it is. It also works in MCX, believe. So let me just check with the MCX if it has given the signals. So yes, on yesterday itself you got a good crude oil signal on 27th of October, sorry, September. So here it is, guys. So if you're short, if you're sold below this candle low, that is 2439. So if you're sold about, sorry, 3439. Okay, so if you're sold below 3438 or something, it fell all the way till 3406. That's a good selling. That's almost 30 points we got here. Okay, and one more here somewhere. So if you're shorted below this candle low, again the candle low is 3420. So if you're shorted at 3419 or something, somewhere triggering here, so it would have fall almost, it fell, it fell little, like the candle low here is 3402, so shorting is 3420 and 3402. Yeah, good, almost like 20 points. Okay, so you can keep the target of 0.5 to 1% of any stock or commodity what you're trading, and stop loss as half of it. Okay, if your target is 1%, keep the 0.5 as stop loss, and if your target is 0.5, keep the 0.25 stop loss. Okay, so that's how the strategy is working now. So if you guys are free, you can do a lot of back testing. So once you feel confident, and then only do a real trade. Okay, so this is a crude oil chart what I'm showing you right now. So that was the example. Yeah, it daily doesn't give the signals, so it's good to trade in equities because you have so many of stocks and so many of signals will be generating because you have many of the stocks here. So here is a Indelco example. As you can see, on 25th we got a signal here. Okay, red, fully red was coming. When the shade starts only, we should take a trade. I have said you right. So the signals are still generating. So when the shade started, just buy it above this high candle, and it went all the way up. Okay, the candle high is to 24.80. If you bought it to 25 also, it went to 229.75. That's a great signal. But when the signal comes, we have a very good chances of going up. That's what I like in this indicator, and a very simple indicator, and no need of worrying something. So, and in a 15 minutes chart, it works really great and charming. That's what I like about this. because you don't need to worry about any other indicator. So just put Ravi RAVI indicator and it's done. So here also again overbuy is happening, green, and the next shade started. So here it is. If you're shorted below this candle low is 253.50, just sell it below 253 and you're done. 246.65 is that day's low. So this is a strategy, guys. Hope you can like this strategy. Do backtest this strategy before you do a paper trade, and this is for educational purpose only. And if you like this strategy, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and spread this video. Share it with your trading friends. It might be helpful for them and for you also for trading purpose. Okay, and do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and spread this video. And if you're interested, you can just visit my trading blogspot for the more information on my additional services and to gain consistent profit in the market. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in the next one soon.